So in today's episode, we're going to do something very simple. I'm going to show you guys how to make a classic wedge salad. So this salad's going to have obviously iceberg, it's going to have red onion, dill, a little bit of ranch dressing, and some tomatoes. It's pretty simple to make, you guys. I don't think a lot of you know how to make it, so that's why I'm making this episode. So stay tuned, guys. You do not want to miss this one. So for this salad, you're going to need some iceberg. This is again just cut in half. We made a salad. Last night. We have some fresh dill right here, some tomato, and we have some red onion. And I just rendered off some bacon. Kept actually the fat because we are going to put that a little bit in the dressing. I like to take off this little part of the stem. This can be a little bit bitter. So I just take it off that with my knife, toss that away. You guys don't need to wash this at all. This is ready to go as it is. So I just cut it down the middle, and there's our nice little salad wedges. Okay, these tomatoes, which are from the valley, I'm just going to slice them. Make sure you guys have a sharp knife for that. Right down the middle. Okay, so the tomatoes are done. Just gonna set them aside. Red onion, really nice to have. So I'm actually just gonna, where this direction is, I'm actually just gonna cut it just like this. Nice and thin, it's a little slippery. I don't know about you guys, but I love red onion. And just finish it off right there. Okay, so red onion is done. So for the dill, you guys, you just want to make sure that you grab the ends, pull it off, and you got the little fluffies, okay? I don't know, we call it fluffies, I guess. But it's like the little ends of dill, the tender parts. So we're gonna do that. We're almost done. This salad is so fast that literally, if you guys have never done this before, you guys are in for a treat, because this is my favorite salad. And to be honest, we had it last night, and I'm gonna have it tonight, and I'm even gonna try to see if I can have it for tomorrow night too. So, nice little rough chop here. I don't like to go too much over, that's about it. Now, everything's pretty much done. Let's go ahead and just assemble it. I like to add a little bit of the bacon fat into the homemade ranch dressing because it makes it have a little bit of a bakiness. Again, it's mayonnaise, you guys. It's mayonnaise and buttermilk and stuff, so it's fattening regardless. But I'm gonna go like that. And I'm just gonna incorporate this in. And again, perfect now. So let's try it. Okay, so right here, we are going to add some red onions. I like to just kind of put a little bit on the side. It really isn't going to stick on there. These are like little pieces that you grab throughout your salad experience. So let's stick this one right there. Perfect. Okay, we're also going to add some tomatoes on the side right here. Kind of building like a little happy place for all my stuff to be at. Now we're going to pour on our dressing. This is a classic. Now that we have something for it to stick to, we're going to add a little bit of the crunchy bacon bits. Okay. This is just going to add a little bit of color and flavor, and then we're going to go with the dill. Now I love dill, and mind you, everything on the inside of the lettuce is not seasoned at all, so I don't mind going a little heavy on everything, because at the end of the day, you guys, that right there is something magical. So, should we try it? I think so. Okay. let's just see how it is. Let's just, might as well, right? So I'm gonna dive right into here. Okay. I'm gonna grab a little bit of tomato. I'm gonna grab a little bit of red onion. And that bite right there is gonna happen right now. It's good to be back. That's all I have to say. Okay? So you guys, this is very, very simple. Anyone can make this now that you've seen my videos. Little man is getting hungry. He's just banging his little water thing, you know? So again, if you guys like what you see, go ahead and hit the subscribe button.